Assalamu alaikum. I am Humayet Asif. I have made a simple ultrasonic sonar system radar. Approximately 3 years ago, I created this project. Fortunately, I found it today. This is Arduino based. This radar can rotate 0 degree to 180 degree. If the ultrasonic sonar sensor find an object between 0 degree to 180 degree, then this object shows visually on the laptop display. The ultrasonic sonar sensor can show the object within 20 cm. As an object, I used the display cleaner bottle in my room. I am moving the bottle and seeing red sign visual on the laptop display. It's very simple project. I made it in a few hours in an emergency way.